Our group name is Power. This is section PHY 1000, instructed by Jay Murphy. I'm Jacob Griffin. We have Alan Reitman, Kareem Moore, and Steve Fry. Today we want to teach you about power. So what is power? Power is measured in watts, and you find power by getting work and dividing it by time. So what is work? Work is force times distance. So in our experiment, we want to see how much power four of us exert pushing a car for 10 seconds. Let's define our variables. Power, we don't know that yet. Work, we need force and distance, and then times, that's 10 seconds. So, Kareem's we got to talk to y'all.
To find force, what each of us are gonna do is push on the bathroom scale, and then whatever number pops up for each one of us, we're gonna use that as our force. But force is measured in newtons, so we have to convert. Once four of us have done that, we will combine all our forces. Next, we will push the car down the street for 10 seconds. And once we do that, we will measure how far the car has traveled, and then we divide the number for the combined forces by the distance. We then have the amount of work. Next, we take the work and divide it by 10. We then get how much power and watts four of us exerted on the car.
45.
I got 40.
$42.
And 47. 47.
So we add all our force in pounds. That's equal to 177. And then we're gonna multiply it with 4.44822.162. And that's newtons. And that's equal to 773.9905584.
So we have our distance, which is 5 meters. We have our combined force in newtons, which came out to be 773.99 If you combine the two of them, you actually get the amount of work in joules, which was 3,869.95 2792.
Alright, so now we have our work, which was 3,869.952792, and you divide that by our time, which was 10 seconds, and then you get 386.995272, and that's what we have for our power in watts.
What we have here is a tape measure, and we set it to 5 meters. Our goal is to push this car 5 meters in 10 seconds. That's it. So we just exerted that number we told you is at the bottom of the screen right here. That's how much power we just exerted. Alright, that's it.
Alright, so since we couldn't all show our force doing it at once, we pushed the scale up against the car and pushed it individually and added it all up. To push a vehicle 10 meters in 5 seconds, we had to have 3,869.95 joules of work, which equates to 386.99 watts of power. So this relates to our industries, mainly Show Pro, because when you're unloading trucks and pushing crates around to set up for the next show, you have to exert power with work and time and have it done in a timely fashion. So make sure you guys are getting your stuff done with all the power and work you got.